Knowing how to computer program brings great opportunities for passive income. With Python, you can create streams of passive income that keep the cash flowing without you lifting a finger. Whether you know how to program already or are just learning, this video is for you because we're going to be looking at 5 different ways that you can use Python programming to create passive income. The first one is algorithmic trading. In other words, trading stocks using algorithms. This can be done easily using Python, and using it, you can make money in your sleep. This is one of the most popular ways to leverage Python for passive income. By coding a trading bot, you can automate buying and selling in the stock market based on predefined strategies. There are a lot of different APIs, even free ones, that allow you to trade online with your money in the stock market. That means you can be buying and selling automatically. Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TALib, or even yfinance make it easy to analyze historical data and backtest your strategies. Once your bot is up and running, it can trade 24/7, capitalizing on market opportunities. There's no secret that there's a lot of money to be made in the stock market, and with Python, you don't even have to be the one to do the work. You can have your computer do it for you. Number 2, hunting real estate opportunities. This one's a big one because investing in real estate can be a game changer for your wealth. It's a great way to make passive income, but one of the hardest things is finding the opportunities that you can invest in. Well, with Python, you can actually find those opportunities nearly automatically. Python can be a powerful tool for finding profitable real estate deals. You can use web scraping libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrapey, or even Selenium to pull data from real estate websites and analyze trends in property prices. With this data, you can identify undervalued properties or neighborhoods poised for growth. Once you found a good deal, you can either invest yourself or sell the lead to other investors for a fee. All these scripts can be made in Python. It can even be done for free, and with this, you can make a lot of money and become wealthy. Number 3 is manufacturing digital products. There's a lot of ways to make money selling digital assets online, and Python is a great way to automate that process. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or digital art, Python can help you automate the creation process. For example, you can write scripts that generate diet plans, automate video editing, or even create custom images using AI. Once these products are made, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Udemy, or your own website. The best part is you can create it once and keep earning from it for forever. As a tip, you can use OpenAI or Pillow for more creative digital products. With the advancements in AI, we can basically manufacture art, and you can use this to your advantage to sell things online. It's a great way to make money while you sleep. Number 4, social media bot. There's no question there is a lot of money in social media, and it's easy to create different bots that can help generate this revenue for you using Python. Social media is another gold mine for passive income. With a Python-based social media bot, you can automate tasks like posting content, liking, commenting, and even following potential customers. By keeping your accounts active and engaging with your audience around the clock, you can grow your follower base and drive traffic to your products or affiliate links. Libraries like Tweepy for Twitter or Instabot for Instagram make this a breeze. And as a tip, avoid aggressive automation to stay within platform guidelines. All sorts of platforms have APIs you can use, but even without that, you can use Python to automate many of these processes for you. With Python, you can build and automate an online store. Think of this, you can have a store online that also allows you to track the analytics on your customers and do all of the back work at the same time. With Python, you can build and automate your online store, creating a steady stream of income. From managing inventory and processing orders to analyze customer behavior, Python can handle it all. You can also create scripts to automate marketing efforts, such as personalized email campaigns or targeted ads. By integrating your Python scripts with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can build a seamless and efficient e-commerce business that generates income around the clock. And as a tip, Use data analytics to optimize your pricing and product offerings. Python can even help you in the marketing efforts. And when you plug in different machine learning models, you can become unstoppable, all just with Python. You can leverage computer programming to develop a passive income and a portfolio that can make you literally millions of dollars. Remember, the key to success is to start small, experiment, and scale up as you learn. So if you don't know how to program, this might be a good opportunity for you to learn.